Welcome to Tool Tuesday. I'm Dave Lee. I work with my son Brian Lee, and we teach glass blowing here at the Marc School of Woodworking. We're here to talk about a tool. This that you see here is called the Jax. This is the glass blower Swiss Army knife. We use this tool in a myriad of different ways. We assume everything's hot in that we use. The straps where my hand is the only thing that's going to remain cool in this tool. This tool is used for a lot of different things. First, to cut a constriction point in the glass so that we can take the glass off the pipe. We can also use the blades to shape the glass, the outside of the glass. We use the blades to go inside the glass so that we can open it up and make it into a vessel. And we also use the straps on the backside to sculpt and to move the glass around in different shapes. Again, this is our Swiss Army knife. We use it for a ton of different things. And if you ever see a glass blower, chances are they're going to have this tool in their hand. So thanks for watching here on Tool Tuesday. Again, I'm Dave Lee. We teach glass blowing here at the Marc School of Woodworking and Time Honored Craft. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you back here next year.